You're passionate.
Kendrick.
You're ambitious.
Kendrick.
And you want to create something that's gonna blow people's minds.
I want to be one of the greats.
But recently you feel like you can't get yourself to start working.
I'd rather be no time Grammy Award and still have certain people in my life, you know.
I can't do this! Stop!
That's the hardest thing to do, is to critique yourself.
You texted me at 2 o'clock in the morning. I feel like I'm fallen. Why do you feel that way?
So in this video I'm gonna show you the exact process that will help any creative respark their passion and cure all the different types of creative burnout. This entire framework is stuff that I learned from quitting my 6-figure job, creating hundreds of videos and a 7-year-long journey of highs and lows, burnout and eventually success. The biggest lesson that I found about creative fatigue was actually in the worst period of my creative journey, when I had my biggest burnout in February 2026. I had one client that was just forcing me to perform and to be creative. And for weeks until that point, I always felt like I was just working enough so I don't get fired. Instead of doing what I love most, I spend more time doing revisions and to explain myself why a video that was sent yesterday can be done in 24 hours.
I still feel like I haven't broken where I wanted to break, because in my heart, there's so much stuff I want to say to the world. The most I've been able to do up to this point is maybe suggest a couple lines to some people.
So naturally, I ended up burning out and honestly hating waking up because I didn't want to work. And just the thought of opening my Slack messages in the morning was stressing me out. And the crazy thing is, at first I just thought something was wrong with me, that I needed to discipline myself and just push through. But what I found when I actually quit was that a huge burden was off my shoulders and that I could spend hours editing videos and this time actually enjoy it.
Can't tell me nothing, right? Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing.
As a creative, the environment you work with, I think it's crucial and a very important thing to look at if you're starting to feel like you're burning out. Are you actually enjoying what you're doing? And if you're working for someone or for yourself, it's very important to set boundaries so you're not transforming your passion into this thing that you hate. These are the rules that I personally set for myself. 1. First hour of the day, stay away from any screens. This will allow your mind to actually relax and gather new ideas by reading books in the morning as an example. Number 2. When working for clients, actually talk about realistic deadlines when you actually start a project. Number 3. Do other things outside work. Have other creative outlets, like you would be drawing or writing.
Yeah, shit gon' get hard, keep your head strong. If I quit now, then I'm dead wrong. Fighting off this hunger for hours. Big step, a nigga don't get stepped on.
During my 7 years of creating videos, I've tried many different setups. Windows laptop with an IKEA desk, working at hotels on my MacBook, buying my dream PC setup, traveling with my PC, basically any kind of combination possible. And I found after buying tons of different things, spending thousands of dollars, 3 things actually make the difference. A good chair, my MacBook, and a good monitor. But the most important thing isn't gear, even though it's flashy and it's nice to buy. It's actually having a space that you love that you can use to disappear into the edit. When you put on your headphones, play some music, you're in the mountains cutting a sequence and nothing can pull you out of that. Just you and the video. That's what a good setup actually gives you. A world where you don't want to leave. And my own plugin also helps a lot with this. So when I finally get into the flow and I'm just flying through the edit, I don't have to stop and look for things or build everything from scratch. I have everything I need inside one toolbar. It simplifies the entire process for me and keeps everything looking premium. If you want to try it, links in the description below. But I know there was a time where I didn't have any money. This is cool and really fun when you already have an income. When you can quit your job, when you already have a choice. But when you don't have anything, you cannot do any of these things. So in these next lessons, it's actually stuff from the beginning, when I was just an inspiring creative, wanting to make his dream come true.
Dog, I gotta go, man. I think that's Buster right behind me. I'm like, yo, I need to get out there, man. What am I doing, man? I'm here. He over there doing beats for Buster. I'm doing beats for Busters. You know what I'm saying?
I don't have the same spark, the same fire under my ass that kept me going.
We're gonna push through and hopefully it all works out.
Hey, I got $1 in a dream. Real niggas on my team. Everything what it seems.
The creative journey isn't an overnight success. Before anyone notices, before you're actually proud of what you make, it honestly takes months, if not years. So after a while, when you start, it's easy to give up on it, because you think that you're not cut out for this. And whenever I used to spend hours on making stuff for a client that he refused at the end, what I found and helped me the most is do other stuff outside work that allowed me to think, to take a more objective view of things instead of remaining stuck in the timeline and what I was creating. And because everybody's journey is unique, you cannot compare yourself to others. So know that when you still haven't got your breakthrough in months, it's normal. And the difference between actually gaining momentum or stopping is having other things that can motivate you to keep going. Like having another hobby or completely taking a day off. During the building of this channel, I had a hard time comparing myself to other people. Seeing how everybody else was just making incredible stuff while I was just starting out. What I did then and what I do also now is to completely stop watching YouTube or Instagram, at least for a period of time. Or if that may seem too extreme for you, be more careful on who you watch. Switch from watching those videos that get you down to those that actually motivate you. This not only stopped the comparison trap and allowed me to focus on what I need to do, it also frees up hours of your time. In this journey, you will feel isolated. You're spending most of the time by yourself, working on whatever you want to bring on this world. That's how most of my journey felt. And when I tried to talk to other people about it, I never felt truly understood. So at the start of my journey, whenever I was feeling alone, I just started watching my favorite creators. And I understood that these people actually did the same thing that I wanted to do. And they went through the same thing and made it happen. These were my heroes, and this is why freeing up your time with phase 3 is so important. You need to stop watching videos that drain your energy and watch stuff that actually inspires you and gives you energy. This is not going to fix all your problems, and you're not going to get creative all of a sudden. It will help you to keep creating until you finally enjoy creating again. I feel like a lot of us creatives put a ton of pressure on ourselves to make incredible videos every single time, and we expect everything that we make to be perfect. I'm struggling with this even right now, after all these years. I found that over time you will experience burnout, but after every single one of them, you will learn something about yourself. Because when you have a hard time doing something and you keep going, that's when you know how much you care about this thing. So if you get anything from this video, let it be this. Some of the stuff you make will be bad, and that's fine. And the best thing that you can do if you've made something is to just post it as it is, even though it's not perfect or up to your standard. Treat it as an experience that you've learned from, and you actually might find that people love it as it is. I don't know why it's not working. I feel like I don't know shit, you know? What I found is that you need to keep making stuff, even though you don't have any idea what you're doing.
You can't connect the dots looking forward.
Woke up in the morning, this is how I felt, made that song. Did that for like 2 weeks.
You can only connect them looking backwards.
And then I was like, oh shit, I have something. It was like 6 songs.
LA, stand up. Igor, Tyler, the creator.
When I started, I had big dreams. I wanted to make videos that would impact thousands of people. But I couldn't do that in one video, 10 videos, or even 100 videos.
They say people in your life for seasons, and anything that happens is for a reason.
The best musicians and filmmakers that you watch probably had thousands of repetitions before they finally got something right.
I think he just has me here for a reason, that I have something to say. So he kept me here to somehow help other people.
And the reason that their work reaches so many people is all of those tries before the actual hit.
You know that God is putting together a record for you. If he put that song in Adam's heart over here and put this song in my heart over here, and it combines and makes a masterpiece.
Every single person that you look up to has been on the same journey, sitting alone in their room, working on a dream that they are so passionate about, burning out, thinking it's all going to amount to nothing, learning, improving, until one day they look back and wonder, how did this happen all of a sudden?
All right, that's good, Kanye. This is so exciting, isn't it? I love it.
Yeah, can you believe it?
I can believe it the way you are. Somebody gotta do it. You play tracks like Michael Jordan shoots free throws. Anybody does something that much and that long and it's that good, it's gotta pay off. Can't go there and do nothing but blow up.
Yeah.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
The main thing is getting to do something that you really love to do.